we have some very nice updates. So we're gonna be talking about it, and we jump straight to the laptop. First thing first, I think it's a good time to go and buy Ethereum, which is what I'm gonna do here. At a 10x leverage, I will buy about, let's go and put $2,000 worth of Ethereum. I will buy a long on this one with the liquidation price at 2100. So here we have it. I will go and buy it. It has gone and dipped quite badly recently, but nonetheless, I will buy it now, and I will go and push this on the 1 day chart. And yeah, I think it's a good buy. So let me know what you think. If you want to come and trade with me on ZoomX, the link will be down below. So make sure to support me if you wish. Link down below. It is a no KYC exchange, so all of you can participate, and there are rewards for the first time depositor as well. Next up, I want to talk about a new protocol that I just started with a point system. This is Umbra over on Eclipse. So if you are an Eclipse ecosystem users, I do participate in Umbra. The link will be down below. If you can come and support me, of course there is a referral link. So if you want to support me, thank you very much. Even if you just want to sign up and test it out, I do go and provide liquidity. As you do know, on Eclipse, I provide liquidity over on Invariant right here, as well as now Umbra. On Umbra, I have the liquidity for the Ethereum and bits, as we see right here. So this is one I do. I provide liquidity, as you're able to go and see. And you do receive points by providing liquidity. And I just want to go and put my foot in the door on this protocol. As you see here, there is a point system. They still need to have an airdrop. They will have an airdrop eventually. They have already convinced, they have already said it. So now I have my foot on Umbra. I have my foot on Invariant, as well as I have my foot over on Astro. So Astro, Invariant, over here Invariant and Umbra are for providing liquidity. I will leave you the Umbra link down below. Astro is for lending and borrowing. As you see here, I get points, I lend and I borrow with the points that I farm. And here is the portfolio, as you're able to go and see. And the points I'm farming and scaling through the ranks. But also Umbra has a point system. Just started. Let me know if you participate already. Link will be down below for both Umbra. And if you want to go and borrow and lend token, which I do from USDT to Ethereum, utilize Astro as well. Next up, we do have the Sonic Club airdrop is coming soon. And this is the S airdrop timeline. It ends on June 18th. So make sure to go and bridge in and out of Sonic chain as well, which you can do over on a Jumper. For example, if you go and see over here, the Jumper exchange, you can simply go and, by the way, go and check your points on Jumper because they has updated it. Simply go here, look for the Sonic chain right here, click it, and then select another one, for example, and simply go and bridge to it with wrapped Ethereum. Sonic token, as you see here, are the one used for the gas phase, just to know. Here, the jumper, as we see here, the XP level has gone up. You did receive your point system, I believe, for the month of May. So as we see here, I got this point, this point, this point, this point. So they have gone up. Let me know your ranking down below. I am 2,224. Not bad, I would say. But the Sonic airdrop is coming June 18. You still have 10 days to go and grab it. And straight after June 18, the season 2 begins immediately without wasting time, which is very, very nice to go and see. Talking about Invariant, they have gone and updated a new structure. As we see here, there are some new features. We go the 24-hour, the 1 week, and the 1 month of the time interval for the statistic, meaning that if you go over here, go to statistic right here, you can go and check in 24 hours how much liquidity has been given, or in the week how much has been given, or in the month how much has been given as well, with also the volume that you do here, October, November, December, January, February, and going on. So this is one nice update that they have gone and pushed out. And one thing that is really, really nice is that they also have done it's the SDM expansion, and they have gone to Sonic. Sonic will have the airdrop on June 18. So go and interact with it, I would suggest. Here you're gonna go and interact with Sonic. You're gonna go and interact with Invariant, which, as we see here, they have a point system, which I am on it, hard on it, now position 16 on the overall leaderboard. So it is a good 2-in-1 interaction, considering that Sonic basically said, hey, the airdrop of the season 1 is gonna stop counting on June 18th. Now also Invariant is coming, which is really, really nice. And here is the Sonic platform, just like the one on Eclipse. You go and utilize Solana and USDT, you provide liquidity, you connect your wallet, and you are good to go. There are liquidity providers. There is your portfolio or statistic, your exchange. You can go and switch Solana to any other token, Sonic, Sonic Sol, SSOL, USDC, and all of them goodies. Talking about a little hiccup over there, We do have the fly airdrop plus the airdrop is live. Head over to the dashboard to check your rewards. This is the dashboard they're talking about. As we see here, my holdings, I already have 20 cents. I am not eligible for the rewards, but let me know if you are eligible for the rewards. Here you will have the claim rewards, and if you did it, you will see the rewards right here. So make sure to go and grab them, and let me know how many you receive down below. Talking about Sony Club, here they said that the S airdrop is also going to be about multiple season, an undisclosed portion, which is not the best thing to say, but they still want to keep the hype. An undisclosed portion of the total 190.5 million S token will be airdropped and will be claimable after the review of the first season on June 18. So there is an airdrop to go and claim, there is an airdrop to go and earn, and there are some very good things to go and do throughout this video. So all the links will be down below. Make sure to go and check them out. Make sure to come and trade with me over on ZoomX, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao guys.